Welcome everyone in HueFin News. Today is July 19, 2018, and this is our opportunity to show you all that price analysis or language analysis, as we usually state on this channel, is very profitable. As a matter of fact, you can maintain profitability and as well increase your profits on a daily basis, especially while these cryptocurrencies are traded in this volatile manner. HueFin News is here on this channel to make sure that you all understand that price predictions is very possible, and it's the easiest thing that you guys need to understand and learn, because at this particular organization we do not use indicators, we do not use any expensive software, just to gain confidence for you, to show you that you too can also learn this very profitable method into understanding how to trade. We're simply not here to confuse you. We're unbiased as to the market. We're not here to give you any FOMO, any FUD, as what some of these chartists like to term. We're simply here to give you all the news according to the charts, the simplistic way. Okay, so now, if you're not one of our members on this particular channel or on our HueFin News Patreon page, then the link is going to be in the description of this video. It's only $3 a month, because we want to give everyone the opportunity to see this in action. So that's why we continue to give you guys this evidence as to how profitable this is for us as well as for our members. So if you're not a member of ours on the HueFin News Patreon page, then definitely come on over. It's going to be very beneficial. It's your opportunity to engage with other members of our community, to where you can ask questions if you're new to trading, or if you see anything on a particular chart, would like to have an explanation, or if you think the market is about to move for a particular currency or commodity or whatever chart you want us to look at, then definitely you can display that to our members on this platform. So definitely we look forward to you all coming on over and becoming a part of HueFin News, and as well participating in this great opportunity. Okay, so now let's go ahead and show you all evidence and proof that what we provide here on this particular channel is very profitable, is easy to understand, and is accurate and very precise. Okay, that's one of the things that we maintain on this particular organization, is their ability to forecast where prices are likely to go. Everyone else that you may listen to give you hypothesis, not a guarantee, or it could go higher, it could go lower, it could go sideways. They tell you all three possibilities, while we on this particular channel, this particular platform, literally tells you the direction in which we're expecting the market to go. So if we see the market giving us indications of weakness or strength, we'll definitely say the market's going to move higher, the market's going to move lower, and even in some cases tell you all how high it might go. So this is the example. The right side of the screen, you can see that we upload this video July 18th around 5:16 p.m. and it was about IOTA. Okay, so you can see here that IOTA definitely is in a state of weakness, and obviously you guys can tell that this is what we forecasted to occur in the market. You can see that IOTA currently is down 5.46%. That is a very profitable short trade, if you guys understand what that means, if you only understood before the market actually came down to this level, which we did a day ago. Okay, so now let's just have a listen. I want you guys to listen to the proof. Listen, look at the chart on the right side, and at the same time look at the chart on the left side to see exactly what happened. So now next on the list is IOTA. IOTA currently is down 4.27%. Last trade was 148,100 satoshis, and this is truly, just like with Litecoin, indication of market weakness. You would continue to expect the market to continue to move lower in IOTA. The volume as well is increasing as we continue to move lower in price. Definitely tells us that the overall sentiment of the market is continue moving lower. And if we conclude today's daily price bar in IOTA breaking below 150,000 satoshis, then we're going to move a lot lower than that. Okay, we're going to possibly come all the way back down to 140,000 satoshis. Okay, I just told you exactly where I was expecting IOTA to come to. So when I did this video yesterday, the market was trading right here on this particular bar, and I said if it breaks 150,000 satoshis, that we're going to move a lot lower. And I said 140,000 Satoshis where I'm expecting IOTA to come. And you can see that we've concluded this 3-hour bar at 139,980 Satoshis. That's literally almost pinpoint to the T as to what we expected IOTA to move. So I don't understand what to tell you all, but honestly, this is the best way into trade, especially if you don't understand what trading is, and it's the most simplistic way for you to understand what the market's going to do. So we already know that. You can see that happening on the chart, and given the fact that 150,000 Satoshis is not being respected as support no more, then I'm definitely looking for IOTA to continue to move lower in price. So there you go. So now before I go, I want to give you all an analysis for Bitcoin. You guys can see here that its currency is currently up 1.4%. Last trade was $7,435, and this is the third day that we've been traded around that $7,200, $7,600 area. One of the things that I want you to see is that we just simply consolidated today. So a lot of that volume that we saw yesterday was definitely sellers in the market. But if we in fact close above this previous close, then there's still some slight indicators of strength in the market. We might just come up to around 7,600 or even around 7,750 or so. But then I'm expecting us to see some weakness to come into the market to try to push this currency lower in price. Okay. So definitely I still see indications of some stockpile coming in around $7,500. So just be careful. We definitely need to wait and see if the market is able to absorb or buy up all of the seller that is trading around this current space. If it doesn't, we're going to continue to move back down to the downside. Now the caveat to that is if Bitcoin is able to maintain $7,300, then expect this currency to continue to maintain the consolidation and even possibly move higher in price. But the moment that we break this $7,300 price area, we're going to come all the way back down to around 7,200, even a lot lower than that. So just be careful. I'm just simply looking at consolidation at this particular time. And the longer that we go out in time that we're not able to move higher in price, it's the higher likelihood that we will continue to move to the downside. It's going to be a very severe downturn in the market for Bitcoin, especially if we can't hold $7,200. We're going to come all the way back down to 68 or maybe around $6,900. So just keep that in mind. That is a very huge drop in the market for Bitcoin. But right now, expect consolidation, possibly moving to the high side in the short term. But then I'm still expecting some stockpile to come in the market to push Bitcoin lower. So that's all I got for today. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.